Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the step-by-step process for filling the cap round form, and this is a very important step because if you fill the wrong options and submit, you cannot change the options. So this is once and the last time they ask you to fill the options. So go to login page. Once you log in, you can see their cap round start filling the form. So you can start filling your form at the bottom of the button. So then they'll ask you for the select your course, which course you want to apply for, MS, MBA. Tick mark all the options. Whichever option you want to mark, you can mark them. So for that you can see the CET metrics. For example, if you want to apply for textile MBA, then Sasmira is a college. If you want to apply for MBA HR, so there are specific programs as well. So according to that you can tick. But if you want to go for the Mumbai, basically it's all the MS program. So exact nomenclature you have to see from the seats availability which is there, and then fill. Then select the institute type, government, unedit, edit, you can tick mark everything. Then select the university where you want to apply. So Mumbai University, Pune University, Shivaji University, all the university you can apply here. That's on the first page. Yeah. Then you have to select the courses. PGDM, MBA, MS, you can tick mark all of them. Or the main is the MS program if you want the top colleges in Bombay. And PGDM for Sydenham College. For that, in that case, I'll tick mark all the options. Okay. बाद में आके they'll show you all the options, then you have to choose. Okay. Okay. Then you have to select the district. So Mumbai, Pune, Nashik, wherever you want. So you can put the district and then save ahead. Then you can see the list of all the colleges, name of the institutes. Now for this I wanted to go to the ranking. I uploaded the video for the seats. I've uploaded the video for the cutoffs. I uploaded the video for the ranking. Suppose you are expecting the top 20 colleges, so put top 30 colleges, top 50 colleges. I have given you the ranking of top 165 colleges. So you can pick up any of those colleges, and then you can pick up 165 also if you want, and put in the list. So here you have to tick mark which all colleges you want to apply. Okay, they'll show this. So control F mark, you select the colleges where you want to apply, and just tick mark all the options. So JB, Sydenham, ranking wise. I've given the video for ranking. Description box I given the link for all the colleges. Then according to that you can tick. Once you tick mark all these colleges, like this, you have to tick mark all the colleges. After ticking mark the colleges, you have to then arrange them. Suppose you've taken top 10 colleges, so all these top 10 colleges you can select. So you can select 1 to 72. So you can't fill 300 colleges now. You can fill only 72 college. Yeah. So these 72 college you want to take. For example, you are expecting SIS college. As per the cutoff, you are getting SIS college. So I will recommend one college above that, one college below that. You can tick mark all these things. Okay. So like this you have to submit and then click confirm. Once you confirm, you cannot change the option. So think about that. It's no problem. You can tick mark anything. For example, if you are even getting JB, you are rank 1. It's okay to put JB Sydenham Somaya. Computer will automatically allocate you JB. And then later on we'll look at the अपना फ्रीज का बटन, वो सब बाद में देखेंगे. दैट्स नॉट अर्जेंट इमीडिएटली, दैट विल लुक एट आफ्टरवर्ड. अभी के लिए आप पहले ये भर के सबमिट करो. सो यू कैन सबमिट अप टू 72 चॉइसेस. आई हैव गिवन यू द लिस्ट ऑफ टॉप 165 कॉलेजेस. सो 165 में आपको जो चाहिए आप वो कॉलेज ले सकते हो. ठीक है. तो द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स आई हैव गिवन यू 5 वीडियोस. वीडियो फॉर कट ऑफ्स, हाउ टू फाइंड द कट ऑफ एज पर द DT PDF. वीडियो फॉर हाउ टू फिल द फॉर्म, दिस वीडियो फॉर all the seats which are available in that college. So all those things are available there. Please check out the description box for each and every video and then fill the form. Fine. Don't hurry about submitting the form. आज बैठो, उसके बाद पहले सारा टिक मार्क कर दो, अरेंज कर दो आपस में. Do all the arrangement. Then you can tick mark. Then take a coffee, take a break. Then after break you can start the. You can come back and see. You can come back and submit later on. एक बार ठंडे दिमाग से सोच के then you can submit. ठीक है. हम आई मेरे पुणे ब्रांच से बहुत ज़्यादा नॉइस है यहाँ पे, तो इसके लिए सॉरी अबाउट दैट. ठीक है. ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.